Right now, we have a tornado on the ground, or at least it was a moment ago. Oh, that's right there. That's gotta get over this hill. But I'm pretty sure that over there on the left, that's where it's gonna cycle. Wow. This is incredible. Help whoever's in the house or farm over there, nothing was heard, but unfortunate power of nature sometimes. I'm gonna go over here, I'm gonna watch that. I think that's the new area. It's really trying. It's too cold in the car, I guess. Yeah, there it is. Way over there. It's off camera. That's the old one, this is the new one. Technically that is twin funnels. Oh no, that other one back there is strengthening again. Uh-oh. Whoa. Not bad. I'm gonna find the next road and go right, because it's wrapping up again. Oh good, this road curves. It's still trying to rotate over there, but it's lost some of that punch. It's still a wall cloud. It's hard to see, but it's still a wall cloud. You know, I'm gonna pull up right here. Ooh, that's perfect. Right here. And I'll show it really quick on the recording before I take pictures. About half a minute.